Welcome once again to the Husky channel. Today I received a package from Canada, my new Apple Watch for $60. So all I've done is just cut this top section out, just so I can open it up with a pair of scissors, and we're going to open up inside and we're going to unbox this. So this is my $60, there you go. You can see what it says there. It says watch, music and Bluetooth call. Okay, so that looks pretty good. We're just going to open this up. Nice little packaging. Okay, and there we have it. It is a Apple Watch. Now this isn't the authentic Apple Watch, it's only $60. I'll just pull that out. Take the... Okay, no, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. There you go. How's that? It's and the band feels like really really rubbery. It's an actual iPhone band apparently. And there's a sticker on the front of this watch. There you go. This looks magic. There you go. I'll just put that there. That is a bloody good looking watch. The finish of it is pretty good. Now I don't own an Apple Watch. I've actually got the new Apple Watch 6 on order. But this looks really good. The finish of it is fantastic. I'll just go close to the camera there. We can zoom into there. That is brilliant. For $60. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so basically we'll put this to the side now. So I wasn't expecting a finish of that quality, to be honest with you. And in here is I think that's the charging dock for the phone, for the watch. I think you plug that in and that sits in there somehow. And it's wireless charging. So you've got your wireless charger there. Okay, instruction manual there, pretty good. So you've got all your information. I'll put them to the side. Now, I haven't owned an Apple Watch before, or a knockoff Apple Watch. I'll try to put that on my wrist. I haven't actually put it on there yet. I'm not sure how we turn this thing on. Press the crown in. It may well need a charge. So press the button. No, it's probably needs a charge. But that is really good. Fantastic looking watch. There you go. That is the back of it. Okay, we can zoom into that. Basically, it's got a sensor like the Apple Watch has. That's the front of it. That is really good quality, I must admit. Now that is fantastic for $60. So I'll make another video obviously of it working, on how it works, but this is unboxing a $60 Apple Watch. It's actually a knockoff. So okay, that's pretty much it. I'll have to plug this in and get it charged up, because at the moment it's not working. I'm not sure how you turn it on. Press the buttons, nothing's turning on. So no, nothing's turning on, so it probably needs to be charged. But that is the my new Apple Watch knockoff. Not sure how I would call it, but as you can see there you go. It's a new Apple Watch. I got the white band just to be different. Now with the new Apple Watch 6, Series 6 that I've ordered, that'll come in at the end of the month, so another 2-3 weeks. Once I get this watch going, I'll give it to my mum and she can record her steps. But once again, I didn't actually think the quality of this watch would be as good as it looks. Now it's obviously I need to get the battery charged up to see how it works, but yep, it looks pretty good. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's my new $60 Apple Watch knockoff.